All right, fledgling iPhone developers out there, if you want to get into this whole iPhone development movement, you're going to want to check out this project. I'm talking with Johnathan Freeman. He is the founder of a company called Widget Press. Can you tell us a little bit about this product called Model Baker?
Right. Model Baker started off as a project for myself. I needed to have the ability to build web applications extremely fast because it's becoming very daunting to build these apps with all the latest technologies, with like Ajax and all these UI frameworks that are popping up every day. So I built this tool that basically would deliver apps in a very agile, very fast development approach with no coding required that could build full-fledged functioning web applications where you go and do stuff as a business, and also provide a mobile version for the iPod Touch, the iPhone, and Google Android phones that mimic the UI of the Apple iPhone.
Okay, when you're talking about no coding required, I'm starting to get little heart palpitations here. So how do you do this? What's the framework all about?
The framework is based on best practice design patterns. What we do is build a MVC model. It's based off of PHP. These applications can be deployed on any PHP, MySQL, and Apache server. And there's no coding required. You just simply click a button, say I want a customer, you add some attributes, first name, last name, and then you just deploy, and then your application is able to handle those customer contacts. All right, so like for example, let's say we needed to build a back-end system for our small business. One of the things that we want to do is to have the ability to add a product. So we'll just simply add a product, add a couple attributes, maybe a SKU number and a price, and say that that price is going to be a decimal. We know that obviously we want to take some money, and this price is required. So that's all we do, and we're able to generate a new website, go to our browser, hit a refresh, and then you're ready to start adding and updating products to your database. We have it already checked for data entry, so this is rapid prototyping, so where you can check this off, hit build again, and just do a refresh, and you see that the database is all the records are removed. So if we go to our iPhone version, you'll see that the product actually builds an Ajax application ready to be handled for the user. So any of your users with an iPhone, iPod, or iPod Touch, or Google Android will have this type of interface.
So why would someone want to use this particular tool over, say, other graphical user interface type development systems out there?
Right. Well, those types of graphical user interface systems, they kind of build stagnant websites where it's flat HTML, where you can take those generated code or hand-coded work and move that up to a web server, but it really doesn't do anything. It's more a brochure piece. What we're doing is building an application to where people can get stuff done in their business.
This sounds great. So where can people go for more information, and how much does the product start at?
They can go to widgetpress.com. The product starts off at $3.99, but for Macworld attendees, they get 25% off, so that's $2.99. And then we offer a tremendous discount for the academic market. We're big fans of the promoting education.
See, there's always discounts if you come down to Macworld directly, but you miss out if you don't. Johnathan, thank you so much for your time today.
Thanks, Kevin.